Yeah, and yeah, we did it. Okay, it's done. We have 1,000. Hello guys, and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader, and I am a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, I'm going to tell you how to make millions on this market, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Firstly, now we change our investment from 200 to 150. Our initial deposit is $200. We have already opened for a sell position. Why did we do this? Firstly, because we have broken through the middle line of the Bollinger Bands channel. Now the price is retesting this middle line, and after this we're highly likely to receive the pullback reaction from it and continue dropping towards the bottom line of this channel. Let us just relax and wait until the time runs out, and we will see the result of this trade. Okay, so we have $338 on the account right now. Here we are trading the Euro GBP currency pair right now. We are moving in the upgoing channel. I'm changing our investment from $150 to $200, and we are opening buy position and the continuation of the current growth. Because as you can see, we have already broken through the upper edge of the Bollinger Bands indicator. So that's why this trade looks like the buy stop order, according to which we are thriving on the continuation of the current upgoing trend. So that's why we bought this asset in the continuation of the current growth. And for now, we're quite stuck, to be honest, but we have almost made the new local high. Buyers are trying to push the price as fast as possible. Anyway, we're in the profit. Quite a risky situation right now. Just several seconds left. Hold on here, please. Hold on, please. We're almost at the entry point, and yeah, so finally it's a profitable one, but we were so close to failure. Anyway, $522 we have right now on the account. We are ready to continue. Let me check BHDCNI. According to the BHDCNI currency pair, what do we have? Firstly, the price is going down right now. Secondly, I'm changing our investment from $200 to $400. Now we have broken through the middle line of the Bollinger Bands channel, confirming that we're currently in the sell zone, and now price is going to hit the bottom line of this channel, and that's why we open sell position and continuation of this movement. That's it, very simple one. Let's just see what will we get from here. Finally, it looks at least nice. We need to hold on here for several seconds. And yeah, we did it. We have $890 on the account. Everything is going really nice. Let us continue. By the way, guys, while I'm trading, don't forget to open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, because here you will find best trading signals, analytics, and educational materials that will help you to become professional experienced trader. Moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, get your cash daily, write me a message right now, and subscribe to my private TG. Link in the description. Okay, while I was talking, I have already opened one more sell position, because we have broken through the bottom line of Bollinger Bands channel, and now we're going to go lower. Moreover, we have already made the new local low, and this is additional confirmation for us that we are currently in the sell zone. According to the Stochastic oscillates, the price is oversold, but still we have some space for the continuation of the current drop. We need to wait for around 25 seconds left, and we will see the results of it. Okay, it's done. We have $1,442 on the account. Let me change our investment from $600 to... Okay, let it be so. we have the same, absolutely the same kind of situation. We have opened sell position in the continuation of the current drop because we have broken through the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands channel. We have gathered the stop losses of the buyers, and this is our fuel for continuation of the current drop. So that's why we have opened exactly this order, sell order. So that's it. Done. So we have $1,994 on the account, and that's all for today. I think we have multiplied our balance around 10 times more, and this was done just for around 7 minutes. If you want to have the same kind of results as me, it's absolutely possible. All you need right now is just open description and subscribe to my private TG. So I'm waiting for you all here. See you all, and bye bye.